Hi, my name is Zach Harwood. I'm the founder and owner of Weapon Works LLC here in Burlington, North Carolina. We are a certified Cerakote shop. We are a gun shop. We do a lot of custom work. Back in 2013, man, I used to run around installing elevators on a construction site. I was absolutely miserable, very, very tired of what I was doing. And I made up my mind I was going to do something for myself. So I decided to open up Weapon Works. You know, from the time I was small with my dad running around building kit guns, building AKs, having a good time. And I just wanted to do that stuff for a living. So I wanted to build AKs and rent machine guns. Well, to this day, never rented one. We've built a few AKs, but man, we sure do spray a lot of Cerakote. All of the AKs that we were building, it involves a lot of cutting, a lot of grinding, a lot of welding, and everything that we were doing needed some sort of a finish to it. And factory finish on an AK was moly over park. And well, we didn't really have the setup to do any kind of moly or parkerization, so we decided to give Cerakote a try. So I ordered a starter kit, played around with it for a little bit, and next thing you know, I'm putting Cerakote on all of these AKs that we're building. We put this stuff up on Instagram, and somehow or another it takes off and it starts showing our photos to the right people. Well, people start to ask us, hey, can you spray our gun? And I would be a fool if I said no. And so we just started taking in customer guns, started spraying customer guns. And next thing you know, that's all we do these days is spray a bunch of Cerakote. We started this thing in a little 12 by 16 shed in my backyard back in 2013. So at that point, I was doing everything. I was doing all the spraying, I was doing all the stencils, all the shipping, all the social media. And you know, we did that for 2 or 3 years. And I say we, it was just me at that point while we were still at the house. So I guess it took about 3 years, and I finally got the courage enough to sign a lease for a commercial location. So, you know, a few years after we signed that commercial location, we started to hire. We went from 0 employees in 2013, it was just me, today there's 16 of us running around in an 18,000 square foot facility that is dedicated to pretty much nothing but Cerakote. And I have a full service gun shop about 10 miles down the road. As you can tell by the name, Weapon Works, we started as a very firearm industry dominated company. We were going to do nothing but gun stuff. Well, as it turns out, Cerakote is a great product and it's great for all kinds of industries. So today we get to work with some of the largest manufacturers in the sprinkler industry and the automotive industry. We do keyboards, we do underwater oil and gas connectors. So many ways that you can use this product in order to help different industries. And as you know, the firearm industry is big, but it is not near as big as the other industries out there. So, you know, bicycles, lights, automotive stuff. There's just so many different things that you can do with this product. Our first real big break, I would say, was with Aero Precision. So shout out to Aero. They're still our customer today. We still do work with them, but you know, they helped us a lot out in the early days. That taught us a lot of lessons. It taught us how to handle OEM work, taught us how to conduct ourselves with these larger companies. And you know, it was just a really, really good experience in order to help us, you know, move forward and learn how to sell to larger companies. A lot of guys who are doing OEM work, they won't accept individual work. A lot of guys that are doing individual custom work, they don't want no part of bulk stuff. We want it all. We want to be able to help as many people as we can with their refinishing. We like to work for individual customers, which I think helps our brand, and we like to work for OEM customers, which helps with their production process. When we're thinking about individual customers, we really approach it from as we want to make these people's dream gun come true, right? And when we're thinking about it in terms of OEM work, we want to be an integral part of their OEM manufacturing process. Our goal is to make it as easy as possible for our larger clients to have large-scale work. If you're someone, whether you're a large company or whether you're an individual and you need some Cerakote work done, you can reach out to us at weaponworksllc.com. You can give us a call at 800-556-9498, or you can reach out to us on any social media platforms. We're active on pretty much all of the platforms, and our username will be Weapon Works LLC on all of them. We would love to help you out with whatever you need refinishing-wise.